Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the two types of stitches that I made. The difference between this one is a combination of a half double crochet right in here and then single crochet in the 3 stitches, and in the right side this is all made with a single crochet. So as you can see, there's only a few difference between these two stitches, but in this video I'm just going to show you the single crochet, all in single crochet. And this is the yarn that I use. It's in 100% acrylic yarn, but if you have a cotton yarn, I think it's much better. You will also need a 3.5mm crochet hook for this type of yarn. And you also need to cut a 10 pieces of a 20cm length sturdy wire, and make sure you will bend the edge of the wire. And later I will show you how to place it on the back. And now I'm going to show you the 10 pieces of this wire. So you will need a 4 pieces, a chain of 17, slip knot and chain of 17, and once you have 17 chains or a chain of 22, grab the wire and then insert the hook on the second chain from the hook on the top loop. Okay, so second chain from the hook, top loop right here, and then place the wire and make a single crochet. And then insert on the second top loop, and in the following do a single crochet in the following chains. Okay, and this is the last chain, single crochet, and then fasten off and cut the yarn. And then now on the other side, in the other side of the stitch or chain, take this top loop on this side right here, and then grab your yarn, make a chain, and then single crochet into the next top loop, together with this yarn tail, single crochet, and then single crochet into the following right. Then I'll show you it on the top of these stitches. Once you made it on the top, make a chain of 2. 1, 2, and then slip stitch it on the back of the first chain in here. Okay, you made a chain of 2, then slip stitch it on the first chain at the back, and then in the other side of the stitch do a single crochet in the following. And then now once you made it to the last one, fasten off and cut the yarn, then hide the yarn ends. And then after that, glue the wire on the top. Just 1 drop of glue right on the top, and then pull the wire. Okay, so this is what it looked like. You will need to make a 4 chain of 17 and then 6 of chain 22. Okay, and then once you have made the 4 small ones, combine like this, attach this together, and you will also need this crochet pad. There is a video link below this video in my description below. You can find the tutorial of this pad. Then take the yarn and wrap around this. Okay, and after that, glue right above this one, glue right here so it won't move. Then when you reach right here, only wrap the half of the wire and let the wire stays like this. Okay, glue here. Okay, and you can cut, let it stay like this. Anyway, you will place this yarn ends inside the pot, so like that. And then after this one, you will need the 6 parts of this leaf. Okay, wrap around right here. And by the way, once you made this crochet path, make sure you will not don't close the path, the top dirt, as you can see on this video. Okay, do not close it because we will place inside this wire like this. Okay, make sure you don't close the dirt part. Place like this, and then bend the wire like this. Okay, and make sure it's not too high. Okay, just bend it all in the right place like this. Okay, once it's all good, you can now add a fiberfill. Okay, once it's all good, you place your fiberfill inside, and then you can now close this path. Okay, and that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and see you again on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.